Hello, hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share with you body products which I use for the last 4 months. So please subscribe and carry on. I try to do empties every month and also semi-annual, where pretty much I'm holding items for 6 months and then I can review them again. But 6 months, it's a lot of time to keep a bunch of empties. And I decided to make it shorten this time, so it's only 4 months. Yes, it's still kind of a little bit of items, so I'm gonna try go over it kind of smoothly. I'm gonna start with body washes. Okay, I have few of the Rainbath NEUTROGENA. That's the refreshing shower and bath gel. I did review of it a few months back because I bought like 5 available scents and I went through them. Now because the bottle it's so big, I was rotating them, that's why I end up having 4. So in here I have the original, which is yellow in color, and it's kind of clean, but also if you sniff it really well, it has that herbal scent. Then we have pomegranate, which is red, and it's similar to the SOFTSOAP pomegranate shower gel. Then we have ocean mist, which is blue and smells like a clean ocean. And the last one is pear and green tea, which is green in color. This is a lightened version of the green tea from Elizabeth Arden, so it's one of those nice, fresh, light scents. If I'm gonna repurchase, yes, but from those 4, I'm planning on repurchasing the blue, so I can use it in the mornings, and then the yellow because I can use it with any lotion afterwards. So yes, I have 4 of those. And then talking about shower, here we go. SOFTSOAP coconut butter exfoliating body wash. So it used to come, okay, if you see the brand new one, it's white with a small beads. I bought this because I ran out of my body scrub, but you know what, you really didn't get too much exfoliation, at least I didn't experience any. Yes, it does hydrate because of the coconut properties, but no, I will not repurchase. Okay, what else we have up here? Oh, something to shave legs with. That's the SKINTIMATE Moisturizing Shave Gel. It's a shave gel, it did the job. And right now I have another one from this brand, but it's yellow. What else? Woo! Here we go. One of my favorite body scrubs. That's the one from Tree Hut, Shea Sugar Scrub with Tropical Mango. It smells divine. Yeah, if you want to smell mango candies, this is awesome. I use so many of them and I already have a backup. Currently I'm using shower gel from the same line and smells the same like the scrub. Okay, we have here the next product is the Body Shop soap with handcrafted shea butter from Tamala, Ghana. Okay, so this is a hand soap. Okay, it's a soap. I use it for my hands and also to clean my brushes, which did wonderful job. As a hand soap was nice because of the shea butter. Your skin wasn't dry at all. It even left a little bit hydration. For the brushes was great as well because it removed all the residue which was on the bristles. Then, okay, since I have the soap, I have one from ZIAJA, that's their Caramelized Almond Winter Foam Soap. Because it was a seasonal scent, I don't know if they make it, but it did smell like caramelized almond. The scent by itself was nice. Yeah, it smells like almonds, but different kind of almonds. It was nice, like it didn't dry my skin. As a soap, sure, but no, I will not repurchase unless around Christmas time, just to bring maybe some Christmas spirit. And then what we got? Oh, foot cream with AHA, that's from the same brand, comes in a smaller container. Was nice. I'm like, if the bottom of your feet it's not so nice looking, you can get yourself any body lotion and just apply it, or something with acid. So yes, I do recommend this product. Then you have a couple products for hands. I have SKIFIX hand cream and EUCERIN. SKIFIX, that's their old package. It's still kind of thicker, but it's not greasy. This one is clinically proven to treat dry, cracked skin, and is, I know it was something, I think it was good for diabetic people. And next one is the EUCERIN Advanced Repair Ceramide Natural Moisturizing Factor Enrich. Repairs very dry, raw, flaky skin, light feel hand cream. Now they have this one which is light in texture, and also another one which is way greasier. Here we go. SKIFIX, yes, it's worth buying, but it's more expensive than the EUCERIN. It also depends what you are looking for, but I will recommend any one of those two items. And then let's move to the body products. What we got up here? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I have the sugar scrub from Tree Hut, and then from the same Christmas line as the foam, I said the hand soap, I have their body scrub as well, Caramelized Almond. Yeah, and this one smells, it's way heavier in a scent than the soap. I did enjoy it, it smells nice. However, this one it's only 7 ounce, while in here I have 18. So pretty much in here I have almost 3 times more. But for one of those I can have 3 of the Tree Hut, and that's the reason why I rather recommend the Tree Hut scrubs. If you care for the scent, sure. But if you rather spend your money somewhere else, or you want to get good value for your money, go for the Tree Hut. If I were to repurchase, similarly as with the soap, maybe around Christmas time, but otherwise no, I will not. And then I have left body products, or let's call them body hydrators. I'm gonna start with the lightest one. That's the Body Shop Mango Butter Yogurt. Yes, it does smells wonderful. It's way sweeter than the Tree Hut, but you still get that mango scent. The package states it's yogurt, but for me it was more like a gel consistency. I would say it's perfect if you want something light which is going to absorb faster, or let's say it's really humidity where you live, this will be perfect. And then if you want something thicker, I have the CUREL Dry Skin Therapy Silk Moisturizer Itch Defense. Immediately absorbs, delivers long-lasting, non-greasy moisture, relieves dry, itchy skin with soothing hydration, and has ceramides complex, vitamin E, and oatmeal extract. I use this one up, and I already repurchased 2 more bottles because I enjoy it so much. It has a light consistency. It's more of a lotion type. It smells a little bit like either orange or lemon. I think it was orange. Why? Because it has lactic acid, which scent is not so pleasant. So in order to mask the lactic acid, they add the orange, but the product by itself is wonderful, and definitely I'm gonna recommend. And then moving along, I'll talk about this one. I'm gonna follow up by a little bit heavier product, which is the goat milk body butter with omega-3, 6 and 9. No, omega-3, 6 and vitamin E from the same company as the previous items. I did enjoy it. It smells like fresh laundry. You already use it up, but it has a little bit thicker consistency than the CUREL. But yes, even though it says butter, it's not as heavy, and it will give you hydration, absorb fast, and besides smelling nice, you're gonna like the way how your skin feels. And yes, I already have a few more tubes waiting on me. Okay, I have 2 more items left. I already talked about, come on, the hands, and I have 1 more item for the hand. And yeah, it's from the same brand. That's the goat milk mask for hand and nails. With this, they want you to apply a thicker layer, keep it for like, let's say 20 minutes, and then either massage the leftover product or remove it. Me, I use this one at night, so pretty much I put the mask, put my gloves, and went to bed. That's the way how I use it, but it's up to you how you want to. And yes, this has the same scent as the butter. I do enjoy this line. It's one of the European ones, but it's widely accessible. I should say it's available here in the States. And why I like it? Because they bring they bring good ingredients to the customers. So for example, instead of paying for this maybe like $50, I can pay 10. Why? Because they're more concerned about giving ingredients to the customers than about, let's say, promotion and advertising. But anyway, I have 1 more item left, which is VICHY, the Aldia Body Balm. It has a nice light scent, but it's not overpowering. Yes, I did enjoy it. If I can describe a texture of it, if you take out a plain butter from the fridge, leave it out for a few minutes, next time you come back, it's gonna be a soft. It's still gonna be a butter, it's gonna be soft. That's how this product feels. Let's say that's the consistency of it. It has a heavier consistency, however, it glides and smooths your skin, gives you immediately hydration. Yes, I did enjoy it, and I'm planning on repurchasing again. Also, they have the same one in a container with a pump. Did I enjoy it? Yes. If I have to stick only with 1 product for my body, for sure it's gonna be the VICHY, because you know what, you cannot really go wrong, and it was so good. I have 1 more body product which decided to camouflage itself somewhere on the desk. That's their Garnier body lotion for a dry skin, I should say repair body lotion with clone syrup. How do you call this? Maple syrup, here we go. I can easily buy it in Britain and the rest of Europe. Unfortunately, I cannot buy it here, but yes, you can order on the internet. I did enjoy it because it has a light consistency like this one, or let's say it was a little bit heavier than the yogurt, but lighter than the CUREL. What I like about this product, besides it absorbs really fast, even if you have the driest skin, this is gonna hydrate, and the longer you use it, the better your skin is gonna look. I used to use this for years till I decided to branch out and see what other products I can buy in here. If I would recommend, sure. So if you see the red container of the Garnier lines, you know what? Give it a try.